My name is Roger Day. I work for Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. I am here today to talk about my favorite 5-passenger SUV, the GLE 63 bi-turbo. 550 horsepower, 516 foot-pounds of torque. This is an automobile that gives you everything. Room for 5 people, gives you the sounds that we love whenever we hear the horsepower or the vroom of the motor. This car has it. It also has the performance that we want. Mercedes-Benz has stuck with the one man, one motor in the AMG. This motor rather, was built by Jacques Pincard. And his name is right on there, and he was responsible for this car from the beginning to the end. As you can see here, the V8 fits right in here comfortably with a little bit of room to spare. Front of the automobile, 360 camera. This is going to show you 360 around your vehicle. So when you put your car in reverse, not only do you have the rear view camera, but you also have the clear view of the sides, the front, all the way around the automobile. These are one of the brightest headlight that is out there in the market today, without blinding the people coming at you. Mercedes-Benz is always into form and function. That means every crease, every way the headlight's built, everything here has a function to the way that it's curved. Windshield, for example. The windshield is curved on a concave. So as the wind hits it, all the rain, excess, everything blows to the sides. It's caught here and then it's blown over the top of the vehicle. And before it gets to the rear, there's another drain line so it doesn't drip down onto the rear window. The front of the car, wind, rain, everything hits here. Instead of coming straight across the hood onto the windshield, it gets pushed again to the sides. Everything gets pushed away from the driver's line of sight. So the driver is always able to see, where he is going. Body lines along the sides, again, designed to keep dust, dirt, everything from accumulating onto the car at any spot. The wind helps you keep it clean. This vehicle is equipped with the night package. The night package blacks out all the chrome around the edges, even does the luggage carrier here, blacks out your mirrors, and then you have matching wheels. These happen to be 21-inch night wheels. You can also get them in a 20 if you would like. To the interior of the vehicle. This is where you sit in the glove soft leather. It's all Napa leather interior. We also have carbon fiber dash, consoles, and door tops. We also have seating adjustments. With the Mercedes-Benz, you can take and set the seating to whatever dynamic select that you would like to have, whatever lumbar that you would like to have, whatever massage level you would like to have. This car has it. It is also heated and cooled. We also have the voice-activated navigation systems. A lot of things in this command system are voice-activated, not only for telephone or for navigation, finding your closest coffee shop, finding your closest gas station, but I can also change radio stations. I can change to Sirius radio. I can go back to AM, FM, whatever station I would like. I can also use it to call my friends. And for the sport enthusiast, we have the paddle shifters. You can shift both up and down with the paddle shifter. The right-hand side shifts up, the left-hand side shifts down, and you can change it anytime you're driving from automatic transmission to the manual mode just by clicking one of the paddle shifters that you have. If you want to go completely manual, you can switch into your transmission mode here, manual mode, and you can only shift then naturally by the touchpads here. Okay, other amenities, air conditioning. The driver and passenger can set 10 to 15 degrees different settings. So I can be a little cooler or warmer than my wife or my friends. The other thing we have is heated and cooled cup holders. I can cool them or I can heat them up. Keep my coffee hot, keep my sodas cool. We're also equipped with Embrace in this vehicle. If we have a question about the car, I can hit the I button and go into Mercedes-Benz and ask a question on how do I do this, or how do I enter an address into my navigation system, and they will tell me. And they will actually sometimes enter it for me. The other thing I have is if I have a problem with the car, I have a wrench button here. I can press that button and they will send roadside assistance out to me right away. I also have a Mercedes-Benz Me app with this, which means I can have remote start, remote lock. So at any time if I want to check to see if my car is locked, I can go onto my telephone or my smartphone and I can lock it or I can check it just to see if it's locked. I can also start my engine and let it run. It'll run for 20 minutes before shutting off by itself. So in the wintertime, I can have the car warm up by the time I get there. In the summertime, I can have it cool by the time that I get there. Very unique system. I'd like to thank you very much. My name again is Roger Day from Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale, and we've been talking about the new 2018 GLE 63S with the 550 horsepower. So please stop by and see me. We'll take a test drive.